Mathematics Standard Sample Question Paper Class 10 for 2025-26. So in this video I'll be explaining like 1 to 18 multiple choice questions. So here is the first question. If a equals 2 square into 3 power x, b equals 2 square into 3 into 5, c equals 2 square into 3 into 7, LCM of ABC is 3780. So here A is here clearly 2 square into 3 power x, and B is 2 square into 3 into 5, and C is 2 square into 3 into 7. Now LCM of ABC. See here already product of prime factors is given for all the three numbers. So LCM is nothing but product of prime factors, all the prime factors, product of all the prime factors with highest power, product of all the prime factors with the highest power. So here if you'll observe, highest power. Now here if you'll see, this is 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 2, so it is 2 power 2 and 3 power 1 x. So I'll write, I don't know what is x, so it will be 1 or it will be more than that. So 3 power x into 5 into 7. So already they give LCM is 3780. So 3780, if you do prime factors for 3780, so 2 times here 1890. Next 1890 divided by 2, if you do again prime factors, so 2 times 9, 4, 5. 3, if you take 3 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 5. Next 3, 1, 0, 5. 3, 3, 5. 5, 7. So you got prime factors 2 square, 3 you got 3 times. So into 5 into 7. So clearly 3 power 3. So x value is clearly it is 3. So the correct option here is C. The shortest distance in units of the point 2, 3 from y-axis. See, from y-axis whenever you need the distance, so modulus of x value, so answer is like 2. So correct option is A. Correct option here is clearly A, but I'll explain like how we will. For example, take the coordinate system like y-axis, x-axis. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3. See clearly 2 and 3 will be here. This is the point 2, 3. Now if you will observe the distance, see this is 3 units and it is from x-axis. This is x-axis, and if you will observe, this one is 2 units. This one is 2 units because it is from like y-axis. This is y-axis. So whenever you need y-axis, distance from y-axis, just take the value of x. But if it is negative also, you need to write positive because it is distance. So here the shortest distance of the point 2, 3 from y-axis is 2 units. And if they ask from x-axis, it is 3 units. If the lines given by 3x plus 2ky equals 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0 are not parallel, then k has to be. So not parallel. So parallel condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, and it is not equal to c1 by c2. But they are telling it should not be parallel. So here if I write the equations in standard form, first one is 3x plus 2ky minus 2 equals 0, 2x plus 5y plus 1 equals 0. See, this condition should not satisfy. So what we'll do is, so here I'll prove a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. If it is equal, here see already minus 2 by 1. Here they are not equal. So here they are not equal. So what I'll do is I'll prove a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So here if I'll simplify the values, 3 by 2 a1 by a2 equals 2k by 5. So this both should not be equal. So because 15 by 15 is not equal to 4k, 4k is not equal to 15, k is not equal to 15 by 4, because the lines will become intersecting, they will not be parallel. So here the correct option is B. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. So here quadrilateral is drawn to circumscribe a circle. So here clearly a quadrilateral is circumscribed. I'll take ABCD here. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Here I'll take the point of contacts as D, E, F, C. They gave BC. BC length is 7 centimeters. CD is 4 centimeters. AD is 3 centimeters. So I need to find the length of AB. So what I'll do here, AB I'll consider as like X, this is X and this is Y. So I need to find X plus Y because I need to find AB. So AB is nothing but X plus Y. See, tangents from external point, you will take, if this is X, this will be like X. If it is Y, Y. Now total length is 3, so this will be 3 minus X. Because total is 3 and here total is 7, so this length will be 7 minus Y. So again tangent drawn from external point, if this is 7 minus Y, here it is 7 minus Y. If it is 3 minus X, tangent drawn from external point, this is 3 minus X. Because the theorem what I am using is length of the tangents drawn from external point are equal. So here like this, tangents drawn from external point are equal. Now if you observe carefully this part, this one, 3 minus X plus 7 minus Y is 4. So 3 minus X plus 7 minus Y equals 4. So now here 3 plus 7, 10. 10 minus X minus Y equals 4. So if you transpose X and Y, 10 minus 4 equals minus X if you transpose plus Y, minus Y if you transpose plus X and plus Y. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So clearly here X plus Y is 6 centimeters. So AB is 6 centimeters. So correct option is C. If sec theta plus tan theta is X, then sec theta minus tan theta will be. See, this sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta, these both are always reciprocal. So here the correct answer is D. Sec theta minus tan theta will be reciprocal, that is 1 by x. Now how we'll come to this one? See, secant square theta, because we have identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So if I'll use the formula here, a square minus b square, that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Here I'll get sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta equals 1. So here clearly sec theta plus tan theta is x into sec theta minus tan theta equals 1. So sec theta minus tan theta, if I'll transpose x to the other side, it will become 1 by x. So in this way, sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta, in the same way for this identity, cosec square minus cot square, for this also it will be same, cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta equals 1. See, if you observe cosec plus cot, cosec minus cot, they both are like reciprocal to each other. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? See, standard quadratic equation is equation whose degree is like 2, ax square plus bx plus c. So degree should be 2, degree of the equation. If degree is 2, it is quadratic. So first one, see, if I'll expand, see, A, option A, if I'll expand, x plus 2 whole square equals 2 times x plus 3. X plus 2 whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab equals 2x plus 3. So here see, x square will remain as it is, so it is clearly a quadratic equation. But they want not a quadratic equation, so option A is not the correct answer. X square plus 2x plus 1, it is a quadratic. Second one, if we'll check option B, x square plus 3x equals minus 1 minus into minus plus 3x square. If we'll transpose both the values towards right side, 3x square minus 1 minus x square minus 3x equals 0. 3x square minus x square, 2x square minus 3x minus 1. It is also a quadratic equation. Option C, if we'll check, x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here x cube and x cube will get cancelled. If I take all the terms towards right side, so here 3x square plus 3x plus 1 plus x square plus 2x will become minus 2x plus 1 will become minus 1. So here 3x square plus x square, 4x square plus x, 4x square plus x equals 0. So it is also degree is 2 here, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Now if you check for option D, so here it is like x plus 2 into x plus 1 equals x square plus 2x plus 3. So x into x, x square, x into 1, 1x, plus 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 1, 2, equals x square plus 2x plus 3. Here x square cancel, 2x plus 2x also cancel. So x plus 2 minus 3, x minus 1 equals 0. It is a linear polynomial because degree is 1. So option D here is the correct answer because option D is linear. Remaining all three are quadratic. Option D is linear. It is not a quadratic equation. Given below is the picture of Olympic rings made by taking 5 congruent circles of radius 1 cm each, intersecting in such a way that the chord formed by joining the point of intersection of two circles is also of length 1 centimeters. Total area of all the dotted regions. So here this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 dotted regions. In that we'll be having like 8. If you'll draw a line like this, you'll get like 8 segments. I'll show you clearly here. I'll take one circle here. I'll take one of the circle. In that I'll try to find this region, this one. So here I'll take a circle. In that here, if I'll join like this here, I will find the area of one part. I'll multiply with, I'll find this area and I'll multiply with 8 times, like so. This is center. So here radius is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and this length is also 1 centimeter. So indirectly we got, this is like, they told like it is right angle equivalent triangle, so this angle will be 60. So here the shaded part, this is one part. Like this we have like 8 parts. In 4 regions we have 8 parts. So I'll find the area of this one part. So area of segment, area of segment, area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector, theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle, as it is equivalent triangle, root 3 by 4 a square, because radius is 1 centimeter and the chord is also 1 centimeter, so it is an equivalent triangle. So now theta is here 60 degrees, 60 by 360 into pi, radius is 1, minus root 3 by 4, radius is 1. So 60 by 360 is 1 by 6, so you'll get here pi by 6, pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4. So this is one part. We got this one part. Like here if you draw a line, in that one part answer is this. Like this we will be getting like 8 parts. Here 2 parts, and here you'll get here 2 parts, here 2, here you'll get 2, and here also you'll get 2. So total 8 parts. So this answer if you multiply with 8, that's the answer. So 8 times pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So here clearly the correct option is D. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeters. So square of side 6 centimeters. A circle is inscribed. Find the area of a circle. So see, the side of a square is 6 centimeters. So diameter will be 6 centimeters. Diameter is 6 centimeters. So radius will be half of diameter. So 6 by 2, which is 3 centimeters. So area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r is 3 square. So 3 square is 9 pi centimeter square. So correct option is D. A pair of dice is tossed. The probability of not getting the sum, so you should be very careful already, not getting the sum 8. So here see, for sum, not getting the sum 8. So here all the possible sums, see, you will get sum 2, 3, because this is starting is 2, and after that last highest is 12. Highest sum is 12. So but they are asking what is the probability of not getting sum 2, sum 8. Probability of not getting sum 8. So see, if you observe here sum 8 in this line, if you check, sum 8 is here. This is 8. So if you get 8 here, the total diagonal, it will be 8. See in this. So here directly you can count, this is 8. So you have 1, 2, here see here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you are getting 8. So 31 times out of 36 outcomes, 31 times you will not get 8. So correct option is here B. 2 sin 5x is root 3. 2 sin 5x is root 3. An angle is acute. 0 is less than or equal to 90, greater than or equal to 0. Then x is equal to. So here 2 sin 5x is root 3. So sin 5x is root 3 upon 2. So sin 5x, root 3 by 2 in sin you will get for sin 60. So 5x equals 60 degrees, x equals 60 upon 5. So x equals 12 degrees. In table root 3 by 2 in sin you will get for like 60 degrees. So 5x is 60, x equals 60 by 5 and x equals 12 degrees. So the correct option is here B. Sum of two numbers is 1215 and their HCF is 81. Then the possible pair of such numbers are. See, this question already before also they asked in sample paper. Very interesting question. So here let the two numbers be here. Let the two numbers be, because as HCF is 81, so I'll take 81x and 81y, because definitely the number should be a factor of like HCF. So now here they told the sum of two numbers. So 81x plus 81y is 1215. 81 if you will take common, x plus y equals 1215. So x plus y equals 1215 by 81. So x plus y 81 times 15. So now here I got x plus y is 15. Now see what all the possible numbers to get 15, like 1 14, 2 13, 3 12, 4 11, 5 10, 6 9, 7 8. These all pairs are possible, but in that which will work here, like that we need to. Here 114 will work because 81 into 1, 81 into 14. 213 also will work, 81 into 2, 81 into 13. This 312 will not work because if you will write 81 into 3, this one will work, this one, and 81 into 12. So this 12 you can write as 3 into 4. So again HCF will change because 3 is a common factor. So this is not possible. And 81 times 4, 81 times 11, it will work. 81 times 5, 81 times 10. This won't work because again 5 is a common factor. This also will not work because 3 is a common factor. Again this will work. So 114, 213, 411, 78. 4 possible pairs of such numbers are possible. So correct option is C. If the area of the base of a right circular cone is 51 centimeter square and its volume is 85 centimeter square, then the height of the cone. See, volume of cone here, volume of cone is, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So area of the base, see cone base is a circle. For cone the base is a circle. So area of the base, that is pi r square, is 51. Volume is 85 equals 1 by 3 times 51 times h, because pi r square is 51. So now if you will simplify this, 85 times 3 upon 51 is h. 3 times 1, 3 times 17, 17 times 1, 17 times 5. So height is clearly 5 centimeters. So correct option is D. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c are equal, then, so here see, zeros of the quadratic polynomial like ax square plus bx plus c. If zeros are equal, then the formula is like b square minus 4ac. Discriminant will be 0. So here, see, to get 0, so this value definitely it will be positive. So b square will be positive. So definitely to get 0, this answer has to be like negative. Suppose see, if a is negative, b is positive, this total will become like plus. So you will not get 0. So if a is negative, c also should be negative. And if a is positive, then c also should be positive. So here very clearly c and a both must have like correct same sign. C and a must have the same sign. Correct option is D. In the other way you can explain like b square minus 4ac equals 0. b square equals 4ac. So ac equals b square by 4. See, b square is positive and 4 is already positive. Definitely this answer is positive. Either both should be positive or both should be negative, because minus into minus it is plus. So C and A must have the same sign. The area in centimeter square of a sector of circle of radius 21 cut off by an length of an arc 22 centimeters. Arc of length 22. So suppose if you take circle, area of sector I need to find. Length of an arc is given, radius is 21, length is 22. So here area equals LR by 2. This is the relationship between area of a sector and length of an arc. I need to find area. So A equals length is 22, radius is 21 by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 11. So A equals 231 centimeter square. See, relation between area and length. A equals LR by 2. So I use this. The correct answer is C. Correct option is C. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, AB is 6 centimeters, DE is 9 centimeters, EF is 6 centimeters and FD is 12 centimeters, then perimeter of triangle ABC. So here perimeter of triangle ABC. So see, the triangles are similar and relation between sides and perimeter is perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC and perimeter of triangle DEF. Ratio of the perimeters will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. So AB by DE, they will be in the same ratio. Now if you will see the triangles A, B, C, the other one is D, E, F. So here DE is 9 centimeters, EF is 6 centimeters and FD is 12 centimeters. So perimeter here is 9 plus 6 plus 12. So it is 27. So perimeter of triangle DEF is 27. So here it is 27. Now I need to find perimeter of triangle ABC. ABC. So AB is given 6 centimeters. DE is 9 centimeters. So perimeter of triangle ABC is 6 by 9 times 27. 9 times 1, 9 times 3, 6 times 3, 18 centimeters. So correct option is C. See, there is one mnemonic for like span. See, this is sides, perimeter, altitudes, angle bisector, and medians. See, they all will be in the same ratio. These all will be in the same ratio. Sides, perimeter, altitudes, angle bisector, median. So here perimeter and sides will be in the same ratio. So with the help of that I calculated. The other method is you can find the other two sides, then you can add perimeter, because if triangles are similar, sides will be proportional. In that way also you can. If the probability of the letter chosen at random from the letters of the word mathematics to be vowel is 2 by 2x plus 1. So in the word mathematics, mathematics, see, total letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So probability of vowels, so here total is 11, and in that vowels are like A, E, A, I. So there are like 4. So there are 4 vowels here. So they gave this answer is equal to 2 by 2x plus 1. So if you cross multiply, you can cancel 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Now if you cross multiply, 2 times 2x plus 1, and 1 into 11 is 11. So here 2 times 2, 4x, plus 2 times 1 is 2, equals 11. So 4x equals 11 minus 2. So 4x equals 9. X equals 9 upon 4. 9 by 4. So correct option is B. So here correct option is B. Points A 9, 0, B 9, minus 6, C minus 9, 0 and D minus 9, 6 are the vertices of A. So now see, if you'll visualize this by plotting in a coordinate plane. So what I'll do, I'll take x-axis. Here I'll draw x-axis and I'll draw y-axis. So here I'll take 0, and see here x value will take 9 and negative 9, and on y-axis I need 6 and negative 6. So here this is x-axis, here this one, and here it is like y, and here y dash negative 1. So now here if you plot 9, 0, like 9, 0 will be over here. This is A. This is clearly it is A. Then 9, minus 6. 9, minus 6 will be here. So this is B. And next minus 9, 0. This is over here C. And minus 9, positive 6 will be somewhere. Minus 9, positive 6. This is D. Now see, if you will join these values, you will get like it looks here. If you visualize this, you will draw and you will plot it, and here clearly you can see a parallelogram. So here the correct option is C. The median of set of 9 distinct observations is 20.5. If each of the observation of the set is increased by 2, then the median of the new set that also will be increased by 2. So here correct option is here A. I'll take the example and I'll explain. So here, like for example 9 observations are there. So I'll take normal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but the median is here 20.5 when there are 9 observations. So the median will be in the middle like 20.5. Then you can take 21, 22, 23, 24. So these are the 9 observations. Now suppose if each observation is increased by 2, so this will become 3, 4, 5, 6, this will become 22.5, and this is 23, 24, 25, 26. So now still the median will be like in the middle only, that is 22.5. So median also will be increased by 2. So correct option here is A. Here the length of a tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeters from a point at a distance of 41 centimeters from the center of a circle is. So here the length of a tangent, we need to find the length of a tangent. So if we'll take this as a circle, center from a point 41 centimeters from the center, and radius is 9 centimeters. We need to find the length of the tangent x. So see here, angle at A is 90, because angle between radius and tangent, this angle is 90, because angle between radius and tangent, So if we'll apply Pythagoras theorem, in triangle AOP, hypotenuse is OP, hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. So OP is 41, OA is 9 plus x square. So 41 square is 1681 equals 81 plus x square. So x square equals 1681 minus 81. So x square equals 1600, x equals root 1600, x equals 40 centimeters. So correct option here is A.